and welcome to the Stamp Club from Tonic Studio January 2021 release reveal. Yeah. Oh, okay. So Jem is super excited about that. So in each bundle there will be a stamp set and a die, like coordinating die cut set even. And you can see here. So this one is called backgrounds and patterns, or patterns and backgrounds actually, and it's got all sorts of fun ones where you can like do repeat stamping or like just build up, do 1 or 5 or whatever. And then the coordinating die cuts have got some cuts for actually the patterns, and then also some fun words like hugs and you and miss and friend and thinking of you sort of thing. So you can like mix and match, and there's also some sentiment in the stamp set itself. So you can see like here, so you can either stamp or cut or do both. It's totally up to you. So I am going to be, of course, doing some repeat stamping with some rainbow colors. And then while I get on with that, I'm just gonna quickly mention that these bundles are, they're only going to be sold as bundles. So it's going to be a stamp set and a die cut set every month. And once they're sold out, they are gone. So if you see something you like, don't kind of willy-nilly around, boom, grab it. Because, once it's gone, it's gone. They won't be restocked. So here I'm using the, like this, I want to say speckled, no, but dotted lines. And I love polka dot patterns and things like that. I always go for those if there is a choice. So I made actually 2 of these panels, but I'm only going to be showing what I did with one of them today. But I cut out Miss You Friend out of foam sheet, black cardstock, and also out of this panel here. So this is one thing that I really like about repeat stamping, is that you can basically do 2 for 1. So if you cut out words, you can do a really live, a lovely colorful one, and then you can use the negative cuts and do a was that a positive cuts? I don't know actually, but the words themselves, you can make a really lovely, clean and simple card. So I'm gonna be well, I've cut these out, and I've laid them up with post-it tape to make sure they don't like wiggle around on the panel, so they actually come off straight. And as I said, I've done 2 of these colorful background panels. So I actually ended up doing the 2 ones that I'm fiddling with here now. There's 2 identical ones. So I filled in the words with that black cardstock and made it really flat. So it's completely flat. And then the other 2, I made one really clean and simple, which it's very hard for me. I do like, colors and this and that. But I also made one with a piece of black cardstock behind the letters, just to kind of make them pop. And the man and I constantly have this discussion. He doesn't like black on cardstock, or like on cards in general, but I really do. Really, really do. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm chief card maker, you just the opinion. So I'm going to be doing what I like, okay? But as you can see, we're just kind of getting there now. So here, I was kind of like, for the first one, I was fifth-faffing and I was like, oh, black or white. And then I thought, well, you know what? I like the black. So I'm going to do the black first. And then when I did the second card, I went back and I did the card like completely in white, just to kind of appease the man and show that I do take his advice and likes into consideration. So I'm just kind of puzzling these together, and I'm using my grid mat to try to make sure that they all stay in like a straight line. And it's a really good tool to have, because so many times I've ended up putting stuff on in a wonky way, and you see it like at the last minute or when it's too late, and the tantrums I've had in my craft room over wonky panels. It's there's quite a few. But we're just gonna have a quick look here now at the this is a clean and simple one. And the man really, really likes that one. He's like, oh yeah, this is definitely my favorite out of all of them. And you can see, like with the foam, it just really like erases everything up and just kind of creates a bit more interest. And with the black one, I just think that the colors, it's exactly the same colors. And I just think they really pop so much more with that black in the background. But I can kind of see what he's saying. But, that's the fun thing about having different opinions, is that you can, everybody likes different things, because if everybody liked exactly the same thing, then everything would be the same, and that would be kind of boring, wouldn't it? But that is it from me for today, but I will link everything down below, or I say everything, but I will link to the Tonic shop, and if you want this bundle, you want to grab it fast, trust me, it's gonna sell out, I'm pretty sure. So that is it from me for today, but thank you so much for stopping by. See you soon again.